Thermometer precisely tests oven temperatures. Made of commercial-grade stainless steel for long life. Wide base and two-way hook allow it to be placed anywhere in oven. Measures temperatures from 150 to 550 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 to 290 degrees Celsius. Large 2-1/4 inch dial with red indicator needle provides useful cooking zones. CDN's ProAccurate Oven Thermometer, DOT2, is specially designed to measure oven temperatures with precise accuracy, ensuring best culinary results. Made from durable stainless steel with two-way mounting and a durable laboratory glass lens that resists cracking and breaking, this oven thermometer has a wide temperature range of 150 to 550 F, 70 to 280 C reads in 25-degree increments. In addition to its culinary benefits, the DOT2 can help save energy by ensuring that heat is not wasted by an oven that's too hot. Useful tip. Set thermometer in oven during the preheat cycle to allow the coil to expand contract as the oven heats, cools for more accurate reading. From meats to chocolate, the oven or the freezer, whatever you need a temperature reading on, CDN has the thermometer for the task. Specializing in kitchen measurement tools, CDN produces the widest variety of thermometers, timers and scales on the market. Featuring advanced technology, quality construction, easy-to-read displays and user-friendly operations, CDN thermometers are essential tools in any kitchen. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect little oven thermometer. I bought this oven thermometer after I realized the temperature reading was not accurate on my oven and I needed it to be more precise. I'm so glad I made that purchase over a year ago because it has come in handy and saved a lot of my oven-cooked meals from being overcooked. It is still a good idea to buy an actual thermometer that you can poke into your meat and dishes, but this one is just easy to use and read and can be placed almost anywhere in the oven because of its hanging feature. Because I've had it for some time, it has lost its nice clean look to it, but I'm sure if I gave it a nice cleaning it would look pretty again. Other than that, so glad I have it.